Hey everyone, let's dive into the latest development with CCC activists and their interim leader, Chamisa Obatikana. As of this weekend, they'll be spending time behind bars. Here's the deal. Their bail ruling was supposed to happen sooner, but guess what? It's now pushed to next Tuesday. Yep, you heard that right. Why the delay? Well, the state decided to drop its plan to call provisional witnesses. The reason? The investigating officer Panganay Guati had to abruptly leave the witness stand. And for a pretty valid reason, his pregnant wife needed him. So what does this mean for the CCC activists? It's a tough situation. Spending the weekend in jail isn't exactly a picnic. It's mentally exhausting and physically draining. And let's not forget, this isn't just about them, it affects their families, friends and supporters too. Chamisa Obatikana, the interim leader, has been vocal about the need for fair treatment and transparency. Now facing jail time, it puts a spotlight on their fight for justice and democratic rights. For those of you following the story, it's a waiting game until Tuesday. We'll be keeping a close eye on how this unfolds and what it means for the future of CCC and its activism. So, stay tuned, share your thoughts in the comments, and make sure you're subscribed for the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.